Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the server and inviting the bot. This is where permission matters. Make sure you or an admin has managed server because that lets you add bots. Use the bots invite with bot and applications. Command scopes and pick the specific voice channel you want music to play in. Once invited, confirm the bot has joined voice, speak, and embed links permissions. This avoids common permission roadblocks and gets you straight to connecting the bot to your channel. Now you connect and cue music. Ask the bot to join the voice channel with the join or summon command and wait for its confirmation. Use the play command with a song name, direct URL, or a playlist. This lets the bot fetch audio from supported sources. Once tracks are added, manage them with cue-specific commands, skip when a song ends, pause to hold playback, resume to continue, or remove items from the list. Pay attention to bot feedback messages to track progress. Finish by tuning playback and addressing problems. Set the bot's volume and any audio filters, and remember to compare bot volume versus your client volume for balance. If audio cuts or lags, try a reconnect or restart command. Make sure the server region or voice settings aren't interfering. When things still fail, verify permissions, check the bot's uptime or status, and watch for API rate limits. These are common causes. If needed, re-invite or contact the bot maintainer for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.